Hello students, today we will read a poem from your English book. The name of this poem is The Kite and it's written by Harry Ben. So all of you must have seen kites and a number of you must have flown it in the sky during different festivals, and there are different colorful kites and kites of different designs are available in the market, and we really enjoy this pastime, isn't it? So today we are going to read about it, about how the kite looks in the sky and how it flies. So let's read this beautiful poem written on a kite. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail, then soars like a ship with only a sail. So what the poet is saying, that the kite looks very beautiful, very bright when it's in the sky. On the blue means the sky. So when it's in the sky, it looks very bright, very colorful and very beautiful when a brand new kite is flown in the sky. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail. How it moves? It looks as if it is diving into water. It's dipping into water. Okay, जैसे पानी में डुबकी लगा रहा, गोते खा रहा. It looks like that. Though it is not in water, it's in the sky, but it looks as if the kite is diving, okay, in the water. And it snaps its tail. Snap means to break suddenly or to do anything suddenly. Okay, so it looks as if it is snapping its tail, it's moving its tail, अपने पूंछों को लहराते हुए जैसे आगे बढ़ रहा हो kite. It looks like that. Then soars like a ship. Soar means to fly or rise high in the air. Okay, just like a ship. You must have seen a ship in the sea. When it moves in the sea, it moves up and down, right, with the tide. So just like a ship, it also rises high up in the sky, then it comes down, again rises high. So it soars like a ship. Soar means to go high, rise high. It rises high just like a ship with only a sail. Okay, you must have seen some ships have canvases attached to it which helps them to move in water with the help of the wind. Okay, just like a ship, the kite also has a canvas, a piece of cloth or a piece of paper which is attached to the kite, which helps it to move with the flow of water. The flow of wind. So just like a ship, it also rises high, then comes down, then again rises high, and it moves with a sail. Okay, there is a sail, there is a piece of canvas which helps it to fly. As over tides of wind it rides, climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. So, as over tide of wind it rides, just like the ship, that moves in the water, that moves with the tides. Tides means the waves. You must have seen the waves help a ship to move forward. Just like that, the wind helps the kite to move forward, and the kite rides in the sky with the help of the wind, just like the ship that moves in the water with the help of the tide. So it also climbs to the crest. Crest means the topmost position in the sky. It also goes very high up in the sky with a sudden gust of wind. Gust means a sudden burst of something. एक तेज हवा का झोंका उस काइट को खींचते हुए ले जाता है, and it goes high up, very high up in the sky. The word crest actually means a tuft of feather or a piece of skin on an animal's or a bird's head. Birds और animals के head के ऊपर एक छोटा सा जो feather होता है, that is called a crest. But here crest means the topmost position. So the kite also climbs to the topmost position in the sky with the sudden gust of wind. Then seems to rest as wind falls. Then as soon as the wind falls, the speed of the wind is lower, then it starts to rest. It looks as if it is resting. It doesn't fly very high. It starts to come down. When string goes slack, you wind it back. Okay, then what happens? The string means the जो thread होता है, धागा जिसके सहारे आप काइट को उड़ाते हो, that is the string. When string goes slack means loose. जब string ढीला पड़ जाता है, लूज हो जाता है, then what you do? You wind it back. आप वापस उसको समेट लेते हो. And run until a new bridge blows, and you have to run in order to fly the kite until a new bridge is blown. जब तक कि एक और हवा का झोंका नहीं आ जाता तब तक आपको भागते रहना होता है काइट को उड़ाने के लिए. Okay, bridge means a gentle wind. Okay, and its wings fill and up it goes. Then when a new bridge is blown, its wings are filled with wind and it becomes lively and again it goes up. Okay, जब फिर से हवा बहने लगता है उसके wings में फिर से जान आ जाती है, then it suddenly starts going up. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. Okay, so how beautiful it looks when it goes up and comes down, again goes up, then snaps its tail and moves quickly in the sky. It looks very beautiful, and how brightly colorful it looks. But a rarer thing you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. But when it is stuck on the top of a tree, okay, suddenly what happens when it comes down and it is stuck on the top of a tree? You try to free it, right? And it looks as if it is a bird and it is flapping its wings. Okay, and when you pull on the string, the kite looks like a bird which is flapping its wings in order to free itself from the tree. And at that moment it looks very razor means a very rough thing. Okay, इतना rough दिखता है कि इतने रफ चीज़ें तो आप कहीं पे भी नहीं देखोगे जितना कि ये काइट दिखता है जब वो किसी पेड़ में फंस जाता है. Okay, so this was a beautiful poem written by Harry Ben about a kite. So we all have flown kites but we never think about it. So next time you fly kite, you notice it carefully and try to enjoy its beauty. So let's discuss the working with the poem part. List out the action words in the poem. So you have to list out all the action words. Action words means all the doing words, all those words which describe an action. You have to enlist them, like dive, dip, snap, and what else? Which other action words are here? Let's read the poem again and try to find out. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new, with a dive and a dip. Of course, dive and dip both are action words. It snaps its tail. Snap is action word. Then soars like a ship. Soar is action word with only a sail. As over tides of wind it rides. Yes, ride is an action word. Climbs to the crest. Climb is an action word. Of a gust and pulls. Then seems to rest. Seems is an action word. As wind falls. When string goes slack, goes is an action word. You wind it back, wind is an action word. And run until, again run is an action word. A new bridge blows, blows is an action word. And its wings fill is an action word. And up it goes, again goes. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new, but a razor thing you never will see. See is an action word. When it flaps on a string, which is the action word here? Of course, flap in the top of a tree. So you saw there are many action words in the poem. You have to enlist them. Find out the meaning of these words also. We discussed the meanings. You can write it down in your notebook. Read these lines from the poem. Then soars like a ship with only a sail. The movement of the tailless kite is compared to a ship with a sail. This is called a simile. Can you suggest what or who the following action may be compared to? Okay, the tailless kite, the kite which doesn't have a tail, is compared to a ship which has only a sail. Sail means a piece of canvas. So it is a simile. When we compare something to something else, it is called a simile. You have to suggest something to compare to the following things. He runs like a dash. किसके तरह कोई भाग सकता है? He runs like a horse, we can say. So here he is compared to the horse, so it becomes a simile. He eats like dash. किसके तरह खाता है? He eats like whatever. You think about it and write it down. She sings like what? किसके तरह गाती है? She sings like a cuckoo, a मैना, or whatever. It shines like dash. It shines like किसके तरह shine करता है? Shines like the sun, the moon, the star, whatever you can write. It flies like dash. किसके तरह उड़ता है? Think and write something. Try to make a kite with your friends. Collect the things required such as color, paper, newspaper, thread, glue, a thin stick that can be bent. After making the kite, see if you can fly it. Okay, you have to collect the things, then make a kite, and after making it, you have to try flying it. Okay, and share your experience, whether it flied, whether you were able to fly it in the sky, or if something went wrong, then what went wrong, you have to write it down. So I hope you enjoyed the poem. Thank you.